welcome back to Espresso Coffee Shop. Now, today we're very excited because we have here a brand new coffee machine that has been longly awaited. We give special thanks to Rancilio for giving us this coffee machine. And well, at first glance it looks like a normal Rancilio Silvia V6 with a PID fitted in. But it's much more than that, because this is the new Silvia Pro. Now, what is this? Well, it's a new double boiler, very compact, probably the most compact dual boiler that we have right here. It has a lot of new features in it. First of all, as I mentioned before, it has two boilers. One is the standard 0.3 liter for the coffee, and we have a 1 liter boiler for the steam. We also have the new hot water here, a function that we were waiting as well in the previous models. What else? We have a small change here with this LED that signals if the temperature of the boiler is ready to go, and specifically for the steam boiler. When it's blinking, it means that it still has to be ready. And then what else? Well, we have other small changes, some small improvements that Rancilio decided to implement in this machine. First of which is the new drip tray. It has a mechanism that, as you can see, allows it to stand a bit taller in case you want to do espressos. We know that the previous example of the Silvias were a bit too low. Now they solved this small issue by raising a bit the drip tray. It was also fitted with these magic box, as we call it. It has a new portafilter with two new spouts. It's a new design, works also for the single and double doses. It is fitted as well with the lime scale protection. We already opened it because we, of course, couldn't wait to use this coffee machine as soon as it arrived. It's BWT, so even fitted with very good quality protection. Then we have the classic brush, the scoop in plastic. We have this gum disc that is used for the backflash. There is also, of course, the single and double baskets. Then we have the espresso machine cleaning tablets. We are fitted with 8 of them, as standard. And what we really like is this stainless steel tamper, finally, that is fitted with the Silvia. Alright, so that was a small introduction of the new Silvia Pro and what it's fitted with. But now we're going to dive a bit more deeper into the features that this Rancilio Silvia Pro really has. And there are a lot. As a starter, as we said, this is not a standard Rancilio. Maybe for the appearance we could say that it's like a Rancilio Silvia Plus with more features. This is, I think, a much more professional Silvia. For the starters, it's, as I said, a double boiler, and not only that, but it's a double vibration pump as well. It has a vibration pump for the coffee boiler and one for the steam boiler. Now, the most distinctive feature probably of the Rancilio Silvia Pro is the PID. And it's quite easy to use. There are many functions that can be controlled with only 3 buttons, the plus, the minus, and the coffee button. Now, what you see here, 93 degrees, is the temperature of the brewing boiler. And you can easily change the temperature by pressing plus or minus. We keep it at 93, and you confirm it by pressing this coffee button. Now, if you press plus and minus, you will enter for 3 seconds, you will enter to T2. Now, T2 is in fact temperature of the other boiler, the steam boiler, which, okay, let's go again. You have to be quite quick at changing it. As you can see, T2 you confirm, and you can select the temperature, and of course you confirm by pressing that button. Then you press 3 seconds, and there are other functions. For example, F1. Now, F1 is the option that allows you to clean the group head. So once you select the function, you just put this disc that you're fitted with, even though we recommend really using blind filters instead. But you're fitted with this disc as standard. You just like put it here, or you put the blind filter, you put it back on, and through the function you do the backflash. Now, if you press it again, you can go through the function 2. Now, function 2 is to manage the automatic wake up. Now, after you select this, the coffee machine will automatically shut down, and you have to calculate how many hours later you want the coffee machine to wake up. If, for example, you want to, now, for example, it's 6:30, let's say you put 8 hours and you confirm, now you see that the coffee machine shut down and it will turn back on in 8 hours. Now, let's turn it back on again. Function 3 and function 4 we won't show because it's very simple really. Function 3 is the emptying of the coffee boiler, and function 4 the emptying of the steam boiler. This is a very good feature that not many machines are fitted with. In case you need to move the coffee machine, it's really convenient to avoid some leakages from the machine when carrying it. So function 3 and function 4 are simply to empty the two boilers. Then we pass to function 5. Function 5 is the function to automatically shut down the machine. You can either turn it off or you can move it from 15 minutes up until 120. Let's put it back off and confirm. And then finally, function 7 as well. It's very simple. You have to select either 110 or 230 volts depending which coffee machine you bought. Now there is one last feature which we like a lot that we're gonna do with our coffee tests. We already have the portafilter filled up with ground coffee. We're gonna put it on. As you can see, there is the shot timer. Another feature that we really like and that we really enjoy when we're doing the coffee. And that's it. It shows you exactly the brewing time. Another interesting feature. Very nice. So now we're gonna check out a bit what's underneath this coffee machine. Of course, we have removed the 6 exposed screws that are on top, and of course also the water tank. We remove the cup warmer, which is a solid piece of metal, and it's really warm, so it will keep your cups very warm. Now, here, as you can see, there are the double boilers. This is the brew boiler, 0.3 liters, and the other one is the steam boiler, 1 liter. For the rest, we don't see that much. Of course, the 2 vibration pumps are behind here. They're underneath, so underneath the water tank, so you cannot see them right now. But they're there, and there are 2, one for each boiler, which is like a feature that as well you don't see in many coffee machines. Here you have the PID system. Of course, this is the steam for the steam, and this is for the hot water. These are all the switches. So yes, it's quite longer, as you can see, compared to a normal Silvia. It's wide as much as a normal Silvia. The thing is that it's a bit longer because of course there's more space that you have to fit for the second boiler. But apart from that, the height is a little bit taller, but not that much. The real difference in size is of the coffee machine being a bit longer. But apart from that, it's still very compact. It will still easily fit in any kitchen, even though smaller ones, as you can see. Like it's very compact double boiler coffee machine. Okay, so this was the review of the Rancilio Silvia Pro. What is that we like about this machine? Well, we love that it's a double boiler, of course. We love that they kept it very simple, but at the same time they managed to put in many new features, which makes it a more professional machine. And then, yeah, we love also the new PID, which works very well. This machine we particularly recommend if you already have a Silvia and maybe you want to do that step up into the professional coffee world, or if you have a compact small kitchen and you need a small but professional coffee machine. Well, this is what you want. Again, we want to thank Rancilio, and in particular Giorgio Moroni from Rancilio, that delivered to us the machine directly from Milan to our shop here. And we are very thankful to him. Thank you, Giorgio. And yeah, this is it. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe to our channel. And see you at the next episode.
Simpang Bengkel. Semoga semakin berjaya, semakin ramai, pengunjungnya semakin betah nongkrong di sini. Kita ucapkan terima kasih dulu buat baikan-baikan yang baru datang, dan yang sudah berpartisipasi. Selamat bertani loh bersama kios satu Sabah dulu. Ya silakan ambil posisinya masing-masing ya sebelum. Bangkunya sudah disediakan. Makanan di pojok juga ada. Ya, berarti ini ada makanan free. Makanan free hari ini, free khusus hari ini. Iya, khusus hari ini. Hari ini.
Bagus, thank you ya. Enjoy di sana. Sama-sama berlaku. esensi yang bisa kita buka dengan kita tadi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Alhamdulillahilladzi hadana li hada wa ma kunna linahtadiya laula an hadanallah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarika lah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu alladzi la nabiyya ba'da amma ba'd. Puji syukur kita panjatkan kehadirat Allah Subhanahu wa taala atas limpahan rahmat karunia-Nya kepada kita semua. Alhamdulillah pada sore yang berbahagia ini komunitas motor yang alhamdulillah saya tidak hafal tadi semua yang disebutkan, tapi yang jelas bergabung di kios kopi yang pada sore hari ini alhamdulillah sebahagian sudah berkumpul. Bahwasanya pada hari Jumat yang lalu adalah hari jadinya kios kopi ini genap 1 tahun. Baginda Rasulullah pernah berpesan, khairun nas wa khairun nas. Sebaik-baik manusia itu bermanfaat bagi orang lain. Nah, oleh karena itu komunitas seperti ini adalah sebenarnya sunnah Rasul. Yang pertama adalah meningkatkan silaturahim. Kata Rasulullah, kalau mau umur panjang, murah rezekinya, hubungkan silaturahim. Nah, jadi mungkin itu sekedar motivasi ya kepada kita semua, terkhusus komunitas ya daripada motor ini, yang mudah-mudahan ya hari-hari yang akan datang, terutama di tahun 2019 ini akan lebih eksis lagi. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Oleh karena itu, inti daripada pertemuan kita pada sore hari ini adalah kita bermohon, bermunajat kepada Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Semoga kiranya dalam hal ini kita selalu mendapat petunjuk dan sekaligus mendapat hidayah dari Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Luar biasa.
Sebelumnya aku mau minta maaf ya, bukan maksud aku ngomong kotor atau cakap nggak sopan gue. Tapi menurut aku stand up comedy itu berasal dari kejujuran dan keresahan. Dan jujur, hal yang paling menurut aku resah itu adalah bentuk badan aku. Kenapa? Karena gara-gara bentuk badan aku tuh sering dihina sama kawan-kawan misal aku. Misalnya, guys, tengok tuh Rensi, itunya gede banget. Pasti sering dipegang-pegang. Pegang-pegang bapak kalau balap liar pakai jetor. Ini bukan pegang-pegang, ini tumbuh sendiri. Lagian gini aja, organ tubuh mana yang kalau pegang-pegang bisa langsung gede? Mama aku tuh besar. Dan mama aku tuh besar bukan karena dipegang-pegang sama bapak aku, tapi karena tulangnya aja bengkak.
Nama gue Ernewansyah. Sebelumnya aku mau ngucapin selamat ulang tahun buat Kios Kopi. Boleh tepuk tangannya. Semoga Kios Kopi semakin maju, amin.
Amin.
Tapi jangan maju kalian, kita nabrak jalan. Semoga Kios Kopi semakin ramai, amin.
Amin.
Semoga Kios Kopi jadi tempat favorit anak komunitas, amin. Semoga selamat sampai di tujuan. Terima kasih Pak. Di sini ya. Aku senang gitu bisa stand up di Kios Kopi gitu. Karena Kios Kopi ini satu-satunya kafe terfavorit di Simpang Bengkel. Di Simpang Bengkel ini nggak ada kafe lagi. Cuma satu-satunya ini. Remang-remang di sebelah. Yang kemarin kena grebek. Tahu lah ya. Dan pekerjaan aku ya, aku kerja dorsemir ya. Kerja dorsemir ini bermain dengan air. Di air itu berbahaya kawan-kawan. Di air itu terdapat lumut, jentak-jentik, hantu air, babi air, semua ada di air. Tapi aku sering merhatiin pelanggan-pelangganku gitu kan. Apalagi yang keretanya ninja. Biasanya cowok yang keretanya ninja, ceweknya cantik. Betul? Kayak abang ini. Keretanya ninja ya, ceweknya cantik. Kalau abang belakangnya nih ya, keretanya Morgan. Semes.